What's up, guys? Another day, another eBay sales video. Only problem is today I'm using my iPhone to film, and I usually use it to pull my items, so I'm gonna have to go by memory. A golf club. Sold a golf club. I have not sold a golf club in a long time either. Oh, God. Doing a shitty job filming again too. Actually, Turbo Max, this must be it. I guess spring is coming. It. Okay. Thank you. All for $18 with shipping. Point the camera at what you're doing now. Alright, what else did I sell? Yeah, it's Harman Kardon subwoofer. I think it was like $15, $18 too. I'll look when we get down to the computer. Let's see. Sony Discman. There it is right here. This is one of the slightly newer ones. Not one of the super skinny ones, but pretty nice. Where did I get it? I got pretty good because a lot of them are only going for like 15, 18 bucks. I think I got up in the 20s for it, but I knew this thing was mint. It was my mom. She bought it brand new, used it a dozen times, and I put that in the listing. And it's true. Alright, what else? I sell a lot of things. I end up taking offers on stuff. So usually it's in my head. Oh yeah, Oakley. Tore off Oakley backpack. This was one of my own backpacks. Strap had ripped off. It was a cheap Oakley backpack to begin with, one of the low dollar ones. I think I have it. I think I had 15 on it, and they bought it at full price right now, plus shipping. But it's an older one, tactical field gear. I don't know, Oakley stuff does really, really good. I mean, heck, I've had stuff I bought when it was on sale on Oakley.com or the Oakley Vault site or the Oakley Vault retail stores, used them for 6 months and sold them for more used than I paid for them. Of course, you got to get them at the right price. But this one, the strap is totally tore off. And then it's got this big, I don't even know what happened here. It's like something melted or something. I can't even remember. It's been in my closet for so long. Probably 10 years old. I don't think I'm going to be able to remember what else. If I see the item, maybe I'll remember. Yep, there went. Memory, that worked. Linux sound, cassette, Walkman, off-brand, Walkman, whatever, with EQ, unit only. I think I had 19 on it, and I took 15 or 13 or something. Here's a couple old Discmans I just got at the Goodwill outlet a couple weeks ago. And then on a separate trip, I found this car mount. It's got like shock absorptions mount you put it on. Because these things, of course, didn't have any skip protection. You breathe on them and they skip. This is pretty cool. This was free. My girlfriend had picked it up. Somebody gave it to her. Simpsons Special Edition brush. See, I'll put this up here. Is where I put like cosmetics and stuff. I think that's it.